So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the withdraw process of the kin. So many guys are dead unlimitedly. So first what you should do is, so first go to your solid.io wallet. So I'm going to that. So as you can see here, I'm going to that wallet. So I did. So after unlocking your wallet, as you can see, there is a kin balance for you. So the kin will be shown to you. So after that, what you should do is, so at first you should add some apps. So I will say, so for now what you should do is, as you can see, there is a kin, right? So after that, what you should do is click on the send button and keep it background. So after that, I will give you a link of gate.io. So install the app of gate.io. So install that app. So after installing that app, open the gate.io. So the interface will be like this. So the ad will be loaded and it will be skip it automatically. So now what you should do is create an account and complete the KYC, guys. So create an account and complete the KYC. So as you can see, click on the man button. So after that, click on that. So after that, as you can see here, there is an option security center, guys. Security center. So click on the security center button. So after that, you can see there identity verification. So click on the identity verification and complete your KYC. If it is not working, what you should do is go to the Chrome and click desktop mode and complete and log in it and complete the KYC there. It will be completed very fastly. Okay guys, so now what you should do is go back again to the main app home. So after going to that, now what you should do is, there is a wallet option, right guys? So down there is a wallet option, guys. So click on the wallet option. So and there click on the deposit option. You can see there deposit option. So click on that and search in the search bar, search kin. So there will be the first. So click on that and click on the copy address. So there you can see copy. So after that, go to the solid.io US wallet. So go to that. So I'm going to that. So after that, now what you should do is click on the send. So go to the solid again. My got back again. So unlock it. So after that, there you can see a down arrow, right? So click on the down arrow, guys. Down arrow. So click on that. So after clicking on that, you will get an option receive send. So click on the send button and paste the address here. So after clicking on that, enter an amount which you wanna send. So I wanna send something, but I didn't had any fees, guys. So I did not had soul. So but I wanna send this kin to soul. So now I will send this 1000 kin but no face cut. So let's check it. So for sending, what you should do is, for sending, enable that option, guys. As you can see on the screen, there is an option. So enable it. So after enabling it, it will be turned blue. So after that, click on the send option, guys. So click on the send. So wait for a while. I'm clicking send. So guys, I will be clicking on the send, guys. So I entered 1000 because something, guys. So because I wanna send that kin to soul but not to my bank, so I entered an amount of 1000, but the transaction will be not succeeded because there is no fee, guys. So now what you should do is click on the send button. So click on the send button. So I will show you there 1C. So I will change that to 1000 for suppose. So and I will click on the send button, guys. So as you can see, this will say like this if you don't an amount of soul to the transaction, guys. So the transaction has been failed. So now what you should do, go to the solid.io. So I will be trying again because I want to show you, right? So yeah, so I had an amount just 0.0008 soul, guys. So it will be failed probably. So now enter the amount you want. So click on the max and do it the process. So okay guys, do the withdrawing process. So let's check it again for you guys. So let's check it again and paste the address and amount of kin you want to send and enable that option and click on the send button. So as you can see, it failed again, guys, again. So now what you should do is, so after the kin sent to your gate.io, so after some time check it out your gate.io. So you will get the kin balance in the spot account, guys. So there you can see a spot account. So after going to that spot account, you will see some kin tokens, guys. Here you can see spot account. So after that, kin tokens. So now go to the trade option, as you can see here. So now go to the trade or market. So anything is okay. So after that, you can see there will be second KIN by USDT. So click on that, guys. So after clicking on that, what you should do is, so for now this will be like this. So in get.io there is no market order, so you should keep that only in limit order, guys. So there is no market order, you should keep in limit order. So now what you should do is, there is a buy, right? So change that to sell. Okay, guys, change that to sell. So I entered wrong there, so now I should do the sell. So that, so after that click on the sell. So now what you should do is check the 100%. So after that click on the sell. So and your orders will be shown here, and the process will be done, and you will get the in spot account USDT, guys, USDT. So the USDT will be shown in your spot account. So now what you should do is go to the markets again. So search there XLM, guys, stellar, guys. So click on the XLM by USDT spot. So click on that, guys. So after clicking on that, you will get some like this interface. So now what you should do is, you should buy that, guys. So click on the 100% and limit order only, guys, and click on the buy option. So after clicking on the buy option, your order will be proceeded and your order will be succeeded. So after that, go to the spot account again, guys. So after that, you can see here XLM tokens. So now what you should do is go to the withdraw option and search there XLM, guys. So after that, you will get an interface like this. So now what you should do is, you should install another app. So I will give you the link in the description box only. So after that, install the app KU Coin. So now what you should do is open the KU Coin app. So now open the app. So now, so KU Coin, so that will be useful to send to directly to bank, guys. So in get.io there is no function. In KU Coin the option is available. So I given that app only, guys. So you can do it to various apps, PayPal, etc, etc. You can see in the next few minutes, guys. So let's see. So go to the KU Coin app. So the ad will be loaded and skip it automatically. So after that, what you should do is, in the top left corner, top left, guys, top left, you can see there will be an option like this as a market there. So click on that. So after clicking on that, you will get an option like identity, guys, identity. So click on the identity option. So as I shown, click on the identity option. So after clicking on that, you should complete your KYC. So complete your KYC here. It will take a maximum 48 hours. So my KYC is completed in 24 hours. So 28 hours something. So your ad will be taken and it will be verified. So please submit the original documents. So submit there, guys. So after that, your KYC will be completed. So your KYC must and should complete. So now what you should do is go to the assets option down. So go to the assets and then go to the deposit option. So click on the deposit option. So search there XLM, guys, XLM, stellar, guy. So click on the XLM, and as you can see here, set keep that to main account and click on I understand and click on continue. So after that, got it. So after that, copy your address, guys. So copy your address and go back to the get.io. So wait, I am going. So after that, paste your address here. So I will be pasting here. Wait for a while, guys. So guys, I am pasting the address here. So after pasting your address, you will get a memo in the KU Coin app. So once go back to the KU Coin app, KuCoin. So go. I'm going to that. Let's wait for a second. So guys, as you can see here, I went to the KU Coin app, guys. So let's wait. Once wait, the phone is somewhat slow. So guys, I went. So after that, click there, you can see a copy memo option, so click on the copy memo. So after clicking on that, go back to your here and click on the address name, guys. So paste here. So guys, now what you should do is, guys, click on the withdraw to address. So guys, you should withdraw on your own risk and holding on your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor, so okay guys. So now withdraw to address, so click on that, guys. So I didn't had a sufficient amount, so I can't withdraw, so but you can do. So after that, you will get an amount here in XLM. In XLM you will get an amount. As you can see, there is USDT. So in USDT you will get an place of XLM, so it will take some time to come. So after that, click on the XLM. I had USDT, so I am clicking on that. You will have XLM, so you should click on that XLM. So I will be clicking on that, and after that, what you should do is, there in the down you can see a transfer button. So I'm going again to show you clearly. So after that, there you can see at the bottom transfer button, so click on the transfer button, and after that you can see XLM. So there is USDT, right? So you should change it to XLM. So change it to XLM. So after that, main account to trading account, so main account to trading account, and click on the all. Okay guys, click on the all and then confirm it. So after that, your XLM will be transferred to trading account, guys. So after that, what you should do is go to the markets. So now you will get the XLM in trading account, not in the main. You will get that in trading. So after that, go to the market, and as you can see, there is a search bar. So click on that and click on and search XLM. So after that, XLM by USDT. So click on that. So now what you should do is, there is another simple process. What you should do is go to the trade. So as you can see, the down trade and 3 lines, guys. As you can see, there are 3 lines. So click on the 3 lines and search the XLM, guys. So after that, XLM by USDT. So after that, what you should do is change that to buy to sell. So after changing that buy to sell, what you should do is click on the 100%. So now what you should do is, there is a limit order, right? So change that to market order and do not show again. So after that, click on 100% and sell all your XLM. So I didn't had a balance, so you should do and click on the sell XLM, guys. So after that, your XM will be sold. So after that, your USDT will be there in the trading account. So now what you should do is click on the USDT, and you will be there in USDTs, and change it to, so same like you changed the XLM to there, right? So now change that USDT to main account. So after that, go to the fate. So now for this, you should do another process, guys. So what is that means? So first, go back to your home page of the KU coin. So for that, change the USDT trading account to main account, remaining again trading account to main again, as we did before. XLM main account to trading account, exchange the arrows and change that to main account USDT. So now what you should do is go back to the interface home page of the KU coin. So I will be going there. So let's wait for a while. My phone is somewhat slow, so let's go back. So guys, wait for a while. So guys, as you can see, I will go back. So for this, what you should do is go back to KU coin and go back to home. So after that, click on the profile section, then click on the payment method. So and add a payment method here. So okay guys, there are many more, guys. PayPal, Payeer, Paytm, Phone Pay, UPI, many others. So select one of the one which is best to you. So select that and click on the and add a bank account. So I will click on the Paytm and anything. So now I will not add, because I want soul, not the kin to direct to bank. So into the P2P, the fate option. So go to the cell and click on the cell which you wanna decide, 100 rupees. So this is 100 rupees, guys. So click on the sell button. So after clicking on the sell button, what you should do is, so you will get an interference like this. So here he is taking from 100 rupees to 20,000 something. So after that, if you had an amount, so give it to them. So after that, now what you should do is click on the amount which you wanna withdraw to the bank. So here the balance is 150. So what you should do is search enter the, so there is an amount, right? So enter that 150, so that is rupees, guys. So if your balance is 200, you can enter 200 rupees. If your balance is $10, you can enter $10. So after entering that, you will get an interface like this, guys. So 150 rupees, that is $1.98. So after that, click on the sell now button. So after clicking on the sell button, you will get an interface like this. So now what you should do is, here there will be shown payment methods, your payment methods, and all those which are there. So now what you should do is, as you can see the upper one, there is a button called chart. So now I will show you clearly. Let's wait. So here the details are there. So after that, click on the chart. As you can see there, chart button. So click on that and chart with them. So pay to my PayPal ID, so pay to my payment UPI ID, so pay to my Paytm. So after that, he will send. So after he send, you will get some down, you will get release crypto enabled, guys. So now what you should do is, after clicking on that, what you should do is check your accounts like PayPal, check the PayPal account, Paytm, check the Paytm, check the UPI. So after that, if you got that, click on the release crypto. So after clicking on the release crypto, you will be done, guys. So after that, you will get the amount before only, but this you should do the release crypto, or else your account will be banned. So this is the video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. If you had any doubts, go to my Telegram channel, so there you can chat or comment in the down. So comment there, so I will reply to you definitely. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, guys, please give a like, please. So please subscribe to our channel and never miss any other updates by clicking on the horn symbol, so bell symbol. So after that, please enable the notifications. Bye bye, guys, take care, see you soon.